Hi, good morning kids. I am Jigisha. I hope you all are fine at home and enjoying holidays. Now let's do action with me. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, right, left, left. Enjoying? Okay, now today we will learn capital A to Z and small a to Z. You all learned these alphabets already in junior KG, but we will revise again. Okay, start. Look here. Capital A, small a. A for apple, A for X. A sound A. Capital B, small b. B for baby, B for balloon, B sound B. Capital C, small c. C for cat, C for cake, C sound K. Capital D, small d. D for dog, D for doll, D sound D. Capital E, small e. E for engine, E for elephant, E sound O. Capital F, small f. F for fish, F for fan, F sound for. Capital G, small g. G for girl, G for guitar, G sound go. Capital H, small h. H for helicopter, H for horse, H sound ho. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream, I for iron, I sound E. Capital J, small j. J for jeep, J for joker, J sound J. Capital K, small k. K for kite, K for kettle, K sound K. Capital L, small l. L for lion, L for lollipop, L sound L. Capital M, small m. M for mango, M for monkey, M sound M. Capital N, small n. N for nest, N for net, N sound N. Capital O, small o. O for owl, O for orange, O sound O. Capital P, small p. P for parrot, P for pencil, P sound P. Capital Q, small q. Q for quit, Q for quill, Q sound Q. Capital R, small r. R for rose, R for robot, R sound R. Capital S, small s. S for sun, S for socks, S sound S. Capital T, small t. T for tiger, T for tomato, T sound T. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella, U for uniform, U sound A. Capital V, small v. V for van, V for vegetables, V sound V. Capital W, small w. W for watermelon, W for watch, W sound V. Capital X, small x. X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree, X sound ch. Capital Y, small y. Y for yo-yo, Y for yak, Y sound y. Capital Z, small z. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z sound z. Now we will sing it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now we will do palm exercise. Show me your palms. Now close your fingers. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open and close. Okay. Now all of you take one paper and pencil for we are doing patterns. Look at here. All of you take pencil and paper. Now start pattern. First we will do standing line. Standing line. Standing line. We complete this line with standing line. Now we done standing line. Now we will do slipping line. 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 Okay, done? Okay, fine. Now we will do slanting line. This type of slanting line. Slanting line. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line and again slanting line. Now another side of slanting line. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line and slanting line. Now we will do curves. Upside curves, again and again and again and again and again and again. Now downside curves. Curves, 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 curves and complete. Today we will complete all this. We will revise alphabet again. Look here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Have you enjoyed English with me? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, kids. Have a nice day.